What is the compressio? What is the compressio? What does the compression ratio mean? It means the total amount of air when I'm at the bottom of the stroke that get compressed, and that's how I get my compression ratio. So if I take this volume and I take this volume, put 1/2, that'll give me my compression ratio. So if this has 1000 cc compressed in 10 cc's, that would be a 10:1 compression ratio. And that's how compression ratio is calculated. Now, stick around for part 2, where we're going to talk about things that affect compression ratio.